My name is Jun, and my paper I did on Power over Ethernet, PoE. Technology changes the way of communication and people's life. Wireless network becomes a major role in life that we can't live without. Power over Ethernet technology is a fast-growing Ethernet application. PoE is an application that serves two purposes with one cable. It carries data and delivers electrical power through the Ethernet trees pair cabling to network and IP-enabled device. Ethernet used to establish the local network or LAN, which called the networking protocol. It turns into a great choice for devices require low voltage. It not only enables fast installations and deployment, but also lowers operation costs and maximizes reliability for enterprise network. Through this technology, devices such as VoIP, wireless access point, IP camera, IPTV decoders, and network routers can be powered by PoE technology. The time and money for configuring the power code can be limited, and the cost of the entire equipment system is relatively reduced. RJ45 network sockets are widely used all over the world, so all PoE devices are compatible with this socket. This technique is often compared to the traditional telephone network, which also receives power and data on the same cable. PoE can operate without charging the Ethernet cable architecture, so the PoE system not only saves costs but also There are different types of PoE. Type 1 is PoE, also named two-pair PoE. A related standard is IEEE 802 3AF. IEEE 802 3 is for Ethernet. Multiplexing can achieve wireless speeds in 400 to 500 megabits per second range. Two-pair PoE use 54 MHz through 790 MHz frequency. There are two types of PoE in the 30 to 60 range, which are PoE plus 30 wave and 4-pair PoE 60 wave. The first is PoE plus, also named PoE plus, have two pair of twisted pair. Example of device that can be powered with PoE in the 30 wave range are IP telephone, WIS max access point, PTZ camera, and remote computer terminal. And they have the other one is 4-pair PoE. 4-pair PoE is being standardized to eventually deliver over 70 wave of power through 4 twisted pair of cable. Example of device in 60 wave range that can be powered with PoE are door access system and video. PoE technology faces issues as it continues to develop. Recently, the development of PoE power supply technology, the variety of PoE switches from 100 megabits per second to gigabits to full gigabit. PoE power supply technology development momentum is getting faster and faster, with a series of a disadvantage such as simplifying the installation and deployment of power equipment, energy saving, and safety. PoE power supplies has become the new favorite of wireless coverage, security monitoring, and smart grid. However, most users still have a lot of questions about PoE power supply. PoE switches also differ between non-network management and network management type. To choose the right switches would require a comprehensive analysis of the network environment. In actual network construction and application, there will be cases where the PoE switches cannot supply power or the power supply is unstable. In fact of the stability, PoE power supply in the PoE technology has been developed for many years and is now in a mature stage. The standard PoE power supply is stable enough and safe. Most of the conditions are due to the selection of non-standard PoE switches, or the quality of the wires is too low, and the design itself is not reasonable. The power supply distance is not a range of the connection of too many high-power devices has inefficient power supply, especially the night monitoring device turn on the heating mode. Therefore, in the actual deployment, it is found that the external power supply is unstable. The PoE industry is a mixed bag of talents and enters the era of competition. At 2015 AMB meeting, we saw a significant increase in the number of companies exhibiting PoE products. traditional switch manufacturers, traditional security communication manufacturers, and even power supply manufacturers, camera manufacturers, wireless manufacturers, access control manufacturers, and small micro entrepreneur had launched PoE product. The product present methods are dazzling. Product quality is uneven. Standard and DIY and even non-standard products are floated with it. After the Spring Festival of 2016, we saw that a number of PoE brands in the market has sprung up. Participating in the market competition arise from emerging technology. In 2016, the competition in the PoE industry became more intense. Although PoE technology is still in the growth stage of entering the security field, it is also in a stage of increasing recognitions. In today's pursuit of industry-specific feature, PoE technology and products are still very young. This technology has continued to increase investment over the year, continuously innovating technology application and network construction.